Alright, so today I'm going to turn your iPhone X into the iPhone 11 Max. Now for this, all you basically need is a back cover here. This back cover cost me around $20, and as you can see on the back, you do have an adhesive here so that you can peel this off and just stick it right on your iPhone. Now everything on this cover is basically plastic. We do have an Apple logo here on the back, which you can see right there. This is the gold version. It might look like it's like brownish, pinkish, but I chose the gold version for my iPhone, and this is how it basically looks like. We do have some stickers here for the camera lenses. Let me peel this off real quick. So this is how the camera lens basically looks like. The lenses here are pretty much 100% plastic. It is not made up of glass or anything like that. There is no metal on this case at all. Everything on this case is 100% plastic. But as you can see, we do have the dummy camera on the side here. And we do have the flash, we do have the microphone, and we do have another microphone right here for the slots there. Let me peel this off real quick. And as you can see, this is how it basically looks like. We do have another adhesive sticker on the back, which you can remove and stick it on your lenses as well, so that you could have a better grip. Alright, so let me start by peeling this thing off here. And as you can see, this is how it basically looks. The adhesive on this case is pretty sticky. It's not the stickiest, but it will stick to your iPhone with no problem as far as I'm seeing there. Okay, so let me start by taking off the camera lens adhesive sticker so that it'll stick better on the phone. Now let me start by aligning the cover on the back of the iPhone. Just make sure the camera lens is aligned correctly. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Pretty much a good, perfect fit. Let me start by pressing the sides here. It doesn't add any type of thickness on the sides. As you can see there on the bottom there, you know, it basically looks like a very slim case for the back of the iPhone. Plus it does add protection for the back of the iPhone. So, you know, if you place this on the table, it's not going to be scratching the back of the glass. This is how the camera lens looks like. As you can see there, everything is pretty much good to go. We do have a slot for the flash here, so you could partially use the flash. It's not 100% open, but it does leave you a good slot. Alright, so let me show you the flash here. And as you can see, this is how the flash basically looks like. And it does do a very good job on displaying the light out the case. It doesn't give you any major problems or anything like that. It is still very bright. So I do have the camera open so that you guys can see the camera lens and see how clear it is. And to tell you right now, it is 100% clear. So let me just face the deodorant here. And as you can see, it does a great job on displaying all of the details of this deodorant. Let me place it upside down here. And as you can see, the letters, the fonts here are very small. But with the camera lens, you can still view the fonts there with no problem. Okay, so right now I do have the flash on the camera, and this is how it basically looks like. The colors do look a bit over brightened. As you can see there, it looks like it's pinkish or so. You can see it from the sides here. On the sides around this area, you can see that the colors are very, very different. Now right now I'm recording the iPhone without the flash, and as you can see, the colors are very, very neutral and they look way better. So you got to keep in mind of that. If you're going to use the flash with the iPhone, the colors will be different. Now if you're wondering where I bought this back cover from, I bought it from a website called allytail.net. When I ordered the case here from the to the US, it took approximately 30 days to arrive to my house. So you got to keep in mind of that. It's not going to be fast shipping at all. The case cover itself costs around $15 plus $5 of shipping. You know, but so far this is a pretty nice looking case. It does do a good job on protecting the back of the phone. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you later on the next video. Peace out.